Hi, I'm Sophie Spanos.
Hi, I'm Russell Bottrill, and today we're here to talk to you about LinkedIn, which is a professional networking site used to connect students, professors, and professionals across different industries.
In our business communications class, our first assignment was to create a LinkedIn profile. So we thought it would be helpful to make a video tutorial on how to create a useful LinkedIn account.
To get started, pull up your preferred browser and type in linkedin.com.
Once you get to the home page, which looks like this, you type in the necessary information. I'm using my friend Abigail's information to set up her LinkedIn account. Once you type in the information, hit Join LinkedIn.
Next, you'll be asked to create your professional profile. This will ask you for some information like zip code and what you are doing currently. Abigail is currently a student at North Carolina State University. She began her time at this school in 2012 and will be graduating in 2016. Once all this additional information is entered, please click Create My Profile.
You will then be directed to add your email address. I have already done so, adding Abby's email address, and then hit Continue. You'll be redirected to verify your information, which I have already done so.
Next, it will suggest a list of possible connections, which could include business professionals, students you work with, or professors. We'll skip this step for time purposes.
These are also email addresses that you could connect with, but we will also skip this. These are also suggestions of people that you may know that also have LinkedIn accounts, but we will not be using these either.
Next, it will ask if you would like to add your phone number.
I'm going to skip it.
And voila, you have your profile made. Then you will be directed to many different tabs on how to enter your affiliations with businesses or universities.
You will then add a profile picture by hitting Add Photo, choose a file, click on the picture you downloaded, and then your picture will appear.
The picture should be a professional headshot with the shoulders covered and not cropped out of a group shot.
Hit Save, and then your picture will appear. Then at the top, it'll ask you questions, and if you reply to them, you can hit yes. Abigail is a volunteer at the Ronald McDonald House. Hit next, and then if you want to keep going, if they don't apply to you, you can hit skip or you can hit next. For these purposes, we will skip this. We will then scroll down to education, and you can edit it. We went ahead and added the information in. Abigail goes to North Carolina State. She's attended state from 2012 to 2016. Her degree is Bachelor of Education, with her field of study being elementary education. She is a junior currently. And then you can add in your activities and societies. Abigail is an 80 Pi Alpha Delta Pi elementary education organization and Read to Lead. You can also add the description, but for these purposes, Abby can do this later on, and then hit Save. You will come back down and go to Skills and Endorsements.
With regards to the skills and endorsements tab, you may put in the different skills that you have, and in the future, when she has connections, they will be able to endorse her for those different kinds of skills like team building and communication. Abby has also volunteered, so that's why we have added a volunteer section for her here. She's volunteered at the Ronald McDonald House of Charities. She's also a mentor and tutor at the Community Hope Mentoring Program since August of 2013. Through this program, she has expanded her education skills by tutoring students in reading on a weekly basis, and she has learned how to work with different students' personalities. In the description section for this volunteer tab, it is important to keep your descriptions short, brief, and informative on your duties during that time.
Then, whatever else you'd like to add to your profile, hit View More, and you can add whatever you'd like. Honors, courses that you've taken, projects that you have done, and it'll be the same process by hitting Add, and then you would do what it is, and then the date, and then the description.
You may also add certain publications or interests that you would like to receive email on and advice for contacting you about those certain publications.
Now that we have created and started Abigail's LinkedIn, I will connect her by going to the search bar and I will type in my partner Russell to connect with. Click on it and then hit the drop down menu and hit connect. Classmate, yes, and then send invitation.
Now that Abby is connected with me, she is ready to go and use her LinkedIn profile. It is important to have a LinkedIn profile to connect with people across different industries, and hopefully this tutorial helps Abby get started with her LinkedIn profile.